Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today I'm making one of my favorite things in the world. It is a salty, chocolate-covered candied bacon. Oh my gosh, when you talk about candied bacon, I like every kind, but this one is absolutely delicious. I'm going to be using an applewood smoked bacon, and it's thick cut. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Secret ingredient is Alaga syrup. It is the original Alaga, and it is so good. It's got cane syrup in it, so it's nice and thick, and it has a really great flavor. So I'm using about a cup, and I'm going to put that down in a loaf pan. Now, you can use a loaf pan. It can be any kind of shallow pan, whatever. You're just needing it to have sides to it so it doesn't just drip everywhere. So I am going to get a piece of bacon, put it right down into the syrup, both sides. Press it into the brown sugar on both sides, and I put a little bit of salt and a little bit of cracked pepper on the bacon. And then you'll just put it on a sheet pan that has been covered with foil, a cooling rack, right on top of it, and that way air can circulate around it in the oven. You'll set your oven to 400 degrees and repeat the process with all of the pieces of bacon. Okay, all of my bacon is covered with the Alaga syrup and the brown sugar with the salt and pepper, and now it's going into the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, or until it is just crispy, not burned, but it's browned, golden, and beautiful. Right now, I've got a half a cup to a cup of chocolate chips, and I like to use semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I'm going to turn this over low heat, and what I have here is just a pot with a bowl on top of it, and so you can use a double boiler, and that's really just a makeshift double boiler is what I have here. So I'm just going to get this to just melting, and you do not want any of the water to evaporate into it, so you just need it hot enough to make it to where you can put your bacon inside it when you want to coat it. So now I'm going to take one of my bacon strips and dunk it right down into the chocolate. Now, if your bacon is not cool, the chocolate's just going to slide right off. So you're going to want to make sure that your bacon is room temperature before you start this, and then you're going to get it hardened into the when you put it in the refrigerator. Okay, I've gotten all of the bacon dipped into the luscious chocolate, and now I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of kosher salt. It's good with sea salt, Himalayan salt, anything that you want to do. You could put sprinkles on this. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then we will have ourselves some chocolate covered candy bacon. I've just plated up this delicious, gorgeous, salted, chocolate covered candied bacon, and I cannot wait to devour it. I hope you'll go make some this week at your house.